The mini chart can help us to compare and analyze data of a row or column. It is very useful when presenting data. So in this video, we're going to show you how to create simple and intuitive mini charts. In Sheet 1, we can see monthly sales of clothing, but we can't visually tell the difference between sales each month. Therefore, we should use the mini chart. Click the Insert tab, then click Line buttons. Now a Create Sparklines dialog box will pop up. Select cells B3 through J3 as data range, and select K3 in location range. Then click OK. Finally, use Fill handle and pull down to create mini line charts for the other sales data. We can check the high point and low point to mark the highest and lowest points in the mini line chart. Also, we can check markers to mark all the data points. Below are some preset styles of mini line chart. If we can't find the style we want, we can click the Sparkline Color or Marker Color drop-down button to set up our own line chart colors. We can also switch the type of mini chart. WPS Office has provided us 3 types of mini chart, namely mini line chart, mini column chart, mini win-loss chart. If we want to delete the mini chart, just click the Sparkline Tools tab and then click the Clear button. What should we do if we want to use other types of the mini chart to present data? Let's turn to Sheet 2. We can make a mini pie chart to show data trends. Select C3 through D3 cell range. In the Insert tab, click, then Insert Pie or Donut Chart drop-down button. Select Pie option. Now a pie chart will pop up. We can select the chart title and legend and press Delete. In Chart Options, click on the orange color part to change the color. We change it to gray to facilitate our data observations. Then we click on the chart, check No Fill in Fill, check No Line in Line. Now our pie chart becomes transparent. Drag the control dots on the outside of the chart and adjust the size to fit the E3 cell height. Then place it in the E3 cell. Copy a pie chart. Then place the pie chart within cell E4 below. Then click on the Select Data button and change Chart Data Range to C4 through D4 cell range. Similarly, we can copy another pie chart. Then change the cell range to C5 through D5. We found that the 3 pie charts that we just created are not aligned. Press and hold the Shift key to select the 3 pie charts from bottom to top. Now click the Align Center button to align the 3 pie charts. Above are some methods for creating mini charts. Did you get it?